What's up, you guys? It's your girl CiCi, and I'm back with another one. I know I've been going for 2 weeks. Don't come for me. I looked at my channel and I said, nah girl, get up, do something with your life and get on that camera. I've been trying to put my health first, so that's really why I've been gone. But I'm back with a quick little smoke session so I could just chop it up with you guys, tell you guys where I've been, what's on my mind, regular stuff like that. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get straight into this smoke session because I'm already smoking and I'm chilling, and I just hate the fact that I haven't been up here in 2 weeks. So I said I could take 10 minutes out of my day to just come up here really fast and speak my mind, because I have been MIA. I'm not gonna say I've been MIA, but I've been MIA. I haven't been posting on Instagram. I've just been, I gotta get my mind right. So that's really what I've been doing. I was just getting my mind, my mental together. Like, you know, from the car accident, my body's a little banged up more than I thought it was. But I'm good, I'm living, I'm breathing. I'm looking good. My skin's clearing up because Mother Nature's over, she's going away. Like, I'm just living life, drinking water, minding my business. I went to the doctor the other day, y'all. For those who are keeping up with my weight gain journey, I'm officially 187. Okay. So yeah, that's how you know I'm minding my business, because I'm not losing weight. I'm not even playing. As y'all can see, I got on the top from my 2-piece set, so that's why I look like this in an old sweater. I'm just sitting in my house, and I said, let me just come up here and talk to y'all. But I really look cute though at the same time, so we're not gonna act like we're not gonna acknowledge that. But yeah, nothing's really new. I got my house painted from top to bottom, every single room, like everything, all in a day. They got it done in a day, so I can't really complain. But the fact that I had to move everything and stuff like that, being that my back feels the way it feels, I was a little beat up the next day after that. But they got it done, and I'm happy because now I can just start doing what I want to do in here. Like, that's the first step. Like, step one is to have nice clean walls, painted, even tones, everything's all nice and nice deep clean. After that, everything looks good and even. Now I just want to do a like, I want a new bed frame for my room, just a couple things just so I could redecorate a little bit. But outside of that, I haven't been doing nothing, just going to mad doctor's appointments as usual. And in order for me to be more productive, I also cleared off my whole dry erase board in my office of all the other things that was on there, and I just started writing down all the major things that I need to get done, all on the dry erase board. Why? Because I feel like if I don't see what I need to get done, I'm not gonna do it. Like, if it's not in my face, or just, I don't have it written down to somewhere where I'm walking in and out, or to somewhere where I can see it, I'm not gonna get it done. So the fact that I'm working on being more productive, that's step number one. I got it written down. Whenever I wake up, or I feel like there's days where I just swear I don't have anything to do, girl, get up, go to that list, look at that list, pick something off that list, and just keep crossing it off. And then once I finish the whole thing, put another couple things up there. I think I got like 8 things on there that I could just go through and just get it done like that, versus my taxes and all, like, other little stuff like that that I just have to get done. Like, so in order for me to stay on top of things and stay productive and stop, like, I think that'll help combat the, like, the sluggish feeling like I'm stuck, like I'm not doing enough type of feeling, if I just write it down and then go and be things step by step by step. Because if I don't do that, it's not gonna get done. Knowing me, it's not gonna get done. And don't look at my nails, I'm walking around looking like a little boy. I just need to make up my mind and just go sit in a nail salon. It's just like, I really want my own nail tech. I want my own nail tech. I'm tired of doing my own hair. I want my own hairstylist, my own makeup artist. Like, I just want to wake up and get glammed up and go about my day. Like, I'm tired of doing everything by myself. But it is what it is until I get to that point. But yeah, nothing's really been going on. I've really just been chilling, minding my business. I haven't been posting on Instagram. I haven't been doing none of that. I just been very much low-key. Because I just don't want nobody to bother me. I don't want to be bothered. I don't want nobody to hit me up. I'm just minding my business, staying out the way, so nobody can't say nothing to me. I ain't saying nothing to y'all. And it's good to just take a break. Like, I'm just tired of the whole social media. Like, if I could just deactivate everything for a good a week or two, then I would do that. Like when I got off of YouTube for these past 2 weeks, I probably should have just deactivated everything and took a break then, to be honest. But no, YouTube is one thing that I feel like I always tell myself it's not hard to be consistent, but yet I never always have that consistent motivation to just get up here and record. Like I'll be good for like a week, 2 weeks, and then I'll just get this sluggish feeling where I'm just like, sis. Like to where I don't know. Like I just either don't want to be on camera, or I don't want to, like, you know, just little, like the little moods that I be in and stuff like that. And I'm trying to stop that, because that's really, there's no need for that. So that list that I have, that's step number 1 for me. Cause I be like, yo, there's nothing to do, or I'm bored, or I'm this, or I'm that. Like, girl, there's a lot of things that you could be doing right now. And it's just like procrastinating and stuff like that start to set in when you get into the habit of not doing things. And I'm not that type of female, and I'm not about to become that way just because like I'm like out of work and stuff like that right now. Like everything is good, my rent is up to date, my car is still outside, so I'm just gonna stay on top of my stuff. And yeah, like I can't complain, because it could be a lot worse. There's people that's really hurting out here. So yeah, but I have recorded a video yesterday with my friend, and we was answering questions on TikTok, smoking, chilling, drinking, just a regular day with me type of vlog when I'm just outside. And I don't know if that's gonna be up before this one, but I'll still edit it and post it, because I have mad videos just sitting in my camera that I could just get out, like hair update videos and just things of that nature. Like but I can't wait to get my nails done and feel like a girly girl again, because what? But yeah, I really just been chilling out of my business. And I'm just excited to really redecorate my crib and like really have my office look how it's gonna look. Like I really want to move, and like my vision for myself, like I want to move to a nice apartment with big windows so it's nice and bright. I need those big windows from the ceiling to the floor, like those big bright ass windows, the sun just coming beaming inside. I could just wake up and start vlogging on my camera, talking my crap. Like I just want a nice spacious apartment where I have enough stuff for my business to grow, for me to keep doing YouTube, and just expand. Because I'm not gonna say I don't have enough room for what I'm doing right now. I definitely have enough space to do what I'm doing right now, but I just see bigger for myself. I hate when people be like, oh, you already have a car, or you already have, like, you know, an apartment, like you're good for now, like you're good for now. Like I'm not that type of person. Like I see more for myself. I want more for myself. Like yeah, I have the basic necessities, like I have what I need for now, but it's not about what I need, it's about what I want for myself, the vision that I see for myself. Like I have dreams, like I have things that I want to accomplish and things that I want to do. So it's like, I know I'm not about to be chilling right now. Like I'm over that. So yeah, I gotta keep reminding myself of the goals that I have, write them down and jot them down. As soon as I accomplish them one by one, eventually that big ass goal will be accomplished, and then I'm just on to the next thing. Because that be the thing, like when people accomplish one thing, they start to chill and then they just relax and then they fall back. Like no sis, like get on your ground, find something else to do and accomplish the next thing. Go for the next thing, go for the next thing, go for bigger. Like, you know, go for bigger. Every time you have a dream and you think that that's where you need to stop, like dream bigger. Like just dream bigger. Like that's all I'm reminding myself. Like sis, dream big, because the dreams that you have right now, like they big, but you could dream even bigger. Like seriously, like there's always bigger and better out there. Like, and I have to keep reminding myself, like every time I think that I've maxed out in something, like no, there is no maxing out. Like the sky is that's the limit. Like, and that's what I need to keep reminding myself of this year. Like that's gonna be the motto. Like the sky is the limit. Like just go for whatever you want to do, because that's what I'm doing. And it's making me like feel good just knowing that, like, you know, I'm taking that step forward just to realize certain things and acknowledge that, like, mentally. Because people don't even acknowledge what be wrong with them, and then when they do, they don't even take the time out to fix it. It's like they be so set in their ways, like they're comfortable with being like that, so they rather just be stuck in where they comfortable at, and it's just like, whether it's wrong or right, and that's not right. Like, nah, you gotta grow. There's always room for growth, and I love that. Like, I don't know, I'm always like, I'm a sponge. I always want to learn new things. I'm always willing to hear, like, when I get stimulated mentally, it's a different feeling. Like, I can't even find the words to describe how it makes me feel. Like, I like when people could stimulate my mind, like, because there's always new things to learn. Like, when you could talk to somebody and you just learning new things from them, you're like, damn, I didn't know that. Like, or they learning stuff from you, and just vice versa. Like, y'all putting each other on the things, and then y'all just growing together. Like, that's fire to me. Like, but yeah, I'm over here rambling because I'm high, but I definitely needed to post something, a little video, whatever. And I definitely have some different new ideas that I'm about to bring to life that I'm not even going to say anything about. I'm just going to do it and post it and let you guys see it, but it's going to be a different side, a little bit funny, not necessarily pranks, but yeah, y'all gonna see soon. I'm gonna tell y'all the details and everything soon. Y'all gonna see that very soon. I just gotta get a couple people that are willing to be on camera. Like the video that y'all gonna see after this one, like my friend, he didn't even want to even be on the camera, so half the time I think it was off the camera, like giving Wizard Kelly vibes, and he not even my man. Like, what is you doing getting this camera? Like, that's why I need more friends who want to do what I want to do, so that we could just go out, get content, take pictures, go out to eat, edit, and then go out and then smoke and go back home for the day. Like, regular shit like that. Like, but it all will come. I'm just excited to see where this year takes me, because at this point I'm like more than focused, and I got my head on straight. So now it's just like, now that I have everything jotted down and I know what I need to do, now it's just time to like put my foot forward and get this shit done, basically. Nice little video about nothing. I actually need a new intro and a new outro, to be honest, so I need to start working on that. And I found some new songs for, like, you know, music to play, like background music and stuff like that, because I'm tired of like I want to switch it up a little bit. Like, everything needs a new look. Like, just like how I'm redecorating my house right now, like I need my YouTube aesthetic to match everything, like the growth. Like, I'm just ready to change that as well. Like, my setup is always different, like the quality has changed. Just looking at my old videos compared to my videos now, I'll just be like, dag, like, sis, you came a long way. Like, stop being your biggest critic all the time. Like, you don't have to be perfect, because ain't nobody perfect. Okay. And I actually watched the I watched the first episode of the Kanye documentary, and I was just like, that hit different for me. Like, because it's just like, he really manifested his life. Like, when you look at that, he really manifested the life that he wanted for himself. Before he was even a rapper, he had the rapper look. Like, he was dressing and doing the things that he wanted to really be doing on a bigger scale. Like, he already put himself in those shoes, basically. Like, and people, and I hate when people say to certain people, like, you know, or why do you always carry yourself like that, or why you always so worried about how you look, or why you, like, you know, so hard on yourself, or why do you always care about certain things, and like stuff like that. Is like, that's why, because you see more for yourself. Like, you gotta think you're the shit, basically. You have to think you're the shit, and people will follow suit, because confidence is like, I don't want to say it's contagious, because not everybody, like, you know, can really be confident in themselves, because a lot of people can fake confidence and act like they're so confident, but deep down inside, like, they're worried about what people think about them and stuff like that. Like, but yeah, y'all get what I'm trying to say. Like, you just have to put yourself in that mindset. Like, I see what I want for myself, and I envision that lifestyle for myself. I am that. Like, I am money. I attract money. Like, you know, I am wealthy. I am abundant. Like, not just even in money. Like, in love and happiness. Like, you just have to be fulfilled all around. Like, you have to be an all around type of nigga. Let me stop. Type of person. But seriously, you just gotta have it in all aspects in life. Like, you don't want to just have, like, you gotta have a good balance of everything. And I've been working on that, and I'm proud of myself, because like, the CiCi today is not the CiCi from 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, even 2 years ago. Like, I'm not the same female, and I'm still growing, and I'm still learning, and I'm still like, I'm not even, like, I'm not done yet. Like, this is just the beginning for me. So it's just, I'm really interested to see where I end up, because I'm about to put my foot in these bitches' necks. Switch everything up. Like, everything is being switched up. But I'm gonna be humble. I'm gonna keep going to physical therapy, close my cases out, do what I need to do, and mind my business. And in the meantime, just make sure everything that I can get, everything that I can take care of gets done in a timely manner. And that's it. Not worrying about people who not worried about me, not checking for people who not checking for me, not worried about nobody's lying ass man, none of that. Like, the post Miracle Watts post, like her caption, like, I want to be that comfortable. That's the comfortability that you have to seek in a relationship, to where you don't want to, like, you don't have to be worried about, like, I could be with my man and I can post and I could do whatever freely. If I wanted just to post his face today, I could do that. Why? Because I'm comfortable and I know that he's for me. Like, but when I have that, y'all will know, because we're gonna be up here together. And you're not gonna have a choice but to be on camera. That's another thing. I don't really even know how I feel about, like, couples channels and stuff like that necessarily. I probably won't even make a whole channel. I may, like, do a crush video or two and see how that goes, and if that person is comfortable with being on camera and they do and it goes good, then maybe. But I do plan on making videos with whoever I'm with. Like, come on, you have to be introduced to my lifestyle and what I really want to do. Like, how you gonna be with somebody and they don't even know what you really like? They don't even know what you want to do for a living. Like, they're not even supporting you. Like, or they just have no clue about what's going on, or they don't even have any interest in it. Like, that'll be a topic for another day, because, girl. But besides that, I'm living, I'm breathing, I'm well, I'm back. My little break is over. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.